What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevy flip key remote fob. So this key fob is going to be for the Chevrolet vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob and we flip it over so we're looking at the back, and then we take a look at the bottom near the key ring down here, on this back cover there's a little bit of a notch right in here. What we can do is put our flathead screwdriver in that notch like that, and then just pry up on the back cover. As you see, it pops it up there. Go ahead and pull that cover all the way off. Now we can see our battery right here. And you can use your screwdriver just to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out of there like that. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. You kind of tuck this corner in first, and then it'll snap the rest of the way into place. We'll grab our cover and snap that back on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.